Hey OPC, Christine here. 'Tis the season. It's Jingle Bell Rock.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
All right, so we are going to get our Jingle Bell Rock on the Wunda chair. Tammy, I believe, came up with this theme. Love you, Tammy. And I had so much fun coming up with this workout for all of you today. So I hope you enjoy it. No, I'm not going to keep this hat on for the workout. I'm pretty much going to be sweating within like the first minute or two. So getting into the spirit. So I'm just going to toss that to the side. So we're going to start with 100 and ab series on top. What? I know. So I'm going to hop off. You want your tailbone like right in front, of the Wunda chair, and then come back. And that should put you at the right spot. So for 100, here we go. We're going to send our legs away and we're going to begin pumping our arms. So remember, you want to engage the thighs. So the butt below the butt, this should be on to help hold these legs out away from you. And there should be a lift up through your center. These pumps are trying to disturb what you have, and everything is on to help keep you stable and on this Wunda chair and not off. We have a couple more here together. I think we have one more breath. And then pull everything in. Right into our single leg stretch. So we're going to pull on this knee that is bent. We'll go one more. It's a quick set of our ab series. The double leg stretch. Reaching away. Take that inhale. Exhale, pull everything back in. Right into our single straight leg stretch. Pull on this top leg. And as you pull, you're going to push the leg into the hands to get a little extra hamstring stretch. All right. Double leg. Hands go behind the head. Stay curled up, even as these legs reach away. We'll go one more. Oh, I'm feeling the burn. Crisscross. Armpit towards knee. Twist that spine rather than close your elbow. I want you to still hear me, so don't do one of these. That. Woo! Grab on behind your thighs and rock on to standing. Jingle Bell Rock. All right, footwork. I'm going to turn so that you can see a profile. So make sure you have one top spring and one bottom spring. Oh, I am on the Contrology Wunda chair. So just to give you an idea of what I'm working with. So I have a block here. I'm fun sized, as you can see. And I'm basically raising the floor up to meet my legs. And that helps keep my pelvis still. So, and not, squirrely. So we're starting on with toes. Hugging your Wunda chair. You're going to press away and pull in. So remember, it's not so much of the away, but how much can you return that pedal up? I believe that is 10. And now we go onto our arches. Squeezing in, and inner thighs are together, and your outer hips are hugging towards each other. Tall lifted spine, including the top of your head. How stacked can it be on top of your spine? I think I just grew a little bit. How about you? And now we'll go to heels on. Give a flex in those ankles. And imagine your spine's getting longer as the pedal's pressing away. And then can you keep it as the pedal returns up? And now we'll go back to the balls of our feet. And we're going to have our thighs parallel. And we're going to flex and point. Still with that tall lifted spine. And I think we have one more. And return the pedal up. Great. So take a step off. We're going to check out our Achilles stretch. So standing, you're going to have heels together, toes apart, and place one foot, ball of the foot on the pedal, and lift the heel. And then you're going to create a little diamond shape with your hands, and that is where your knee will go to the front edge of your Wunda chair. And we're going to go 5 times. It's a flex and a point of the ankle, but I want you to feel what you feel through your seat and your legs to create the flex and the point. So it's not just the choreography of the ankle flexing and pointing. It's what muscles are engaging in your seat and your legs to create that. I think that was 5. And you're going to come up and we're going to switch. Again, we're going to create that diamond shape with our hands for our knee and then flex and point. And then just notice side to side what you're feeling. And take a step off. So we'll do our standing press down front. For me, I'll be keeping the block and using that. But I'm making a change in the spring setting to a middle and a bottom. One middle, one bottom, because I still need a little bit more help in this area. So standing in front of the chair, you can have hands on your hips. Hands can go behind the head, your choice. And we're going to put one foot on top. Heel is lifted again, and we're going to go 5 times. Pressing down, keeping that heel lifted. This leg, you're going to have a little softness in the knee just so you can stand in the muscles of this leg and not a locked out knee. And then after 5, we're going to switch. Lift that heel. And we're going down and up. Keep pushing the head back into the hands if you've got your hands behind your head. And then after 5, we'll take a step off. So we're doing the side crossover. Sorry, not the side crossover. We're doing the side, then the crossover. I have my gondola pole here because I've been noticing a shifting in my hips when I'm doing this. And so I'm using this as an assist. And you're going to stand heels together, toes apart beside your chair, and place the ball of the foot on. So again, the heel stays lifted, and we're going 5 times. And And I'm using this, I'm not bearing down on it, but I'm just using